Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Tecno Spark Go 2024 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's start with the fastest way, with the usage of the secret code, and after that I'll show you another way which is a little bit longer, however still useful. So let's start with opening the dialer, and here we have to enter the code, which is *##06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code we're provided with this pop-out window, and at the bottom of it we've got the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK, and now let me show you another way through the settings. So let's open them. Here we have to enter my phone, which is at the very top of this list, and now at the top again we've got this model option. So let's tap, and as you can see the serial number is at the bottom. So that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.